In this video, I'm going to talk about how to disable Windows security in Windows 11. So if you're having any kind of an application or program is completely blocked by the Windows security, then this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the start, or you can just go over here in the search, and we need to type here what we need to search. So what you need to do is we just need to type here Windows security, and what you need to do is you have to click on this. Now, once you click on this, what happens is you'll be getting few kind of research over here like this. Just wait. Now, from here, what you need to do is go to the virus and threat protection. Now, from here, we have to go over here under the virus and threat protection setting. We have an option here called manage setting, in which you have to click on this. Now, from here, what you need to do is we have to try turning off the real-time protection and just go for yes. Now, this is going to turn off it, and this is one of the way how we can do this. Now, if at the same time we need to turn off the disable firewall as well, which is very important. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here. Now we have to go to the firewall and protection from here. Now over here, as you can see, this has been all being turned off here. As you can see, it is all turned on. So what I need to do is just go over here, close this, and go over here in the search. And now I need to type here Defender Firewall like this. Now what happens is I have to click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now that is going to take you to another page over here like this. Now from here, what I need to do is just click on Turn Windows Firewall on or off. So you have to click on this. Now from here, as you can see, it has been turned on. So I have to click on Turn Off for both private and public. I have to do for the same, and you have to just give it OK. And afterwards, you have to check, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.